This is a JCB 3185 FASTRAC. This one has 600, almost 7,000 hours. This is going up on auction time. Has rear 3-point and 540 PTO. This tractor starts and runs very well, as you will be able to see. Go ahead and climb up in the cab here. Starts right up. Only light on is parking brake. Air pressure's all check out good. Parking brake holds tight. Brakes are solid. Shifts through all the gears really nice. It's got a high, medium, and low selector on the forward reverse switch. Reverse works really well as well. Shifts tight, although I'm in granny low right now. Shift up to high. Doesn't like my gear choice. Is a good runner. I will get it out to the street and show it going down the road. All right. This is in high range. Shifts through all the gears really nice. Does all the range shifting nicely. And it will get up to 40 miles an hour. I'm gonna run out of road before I get there, I think. Over here we've got the hydraulic controls. It does have 4 remotes. This is the gear shifter, of course. You can shift between 3-way splitter. You can see there in the middle screen, you've got a snail, turtle, and rabbit on each gear. That's all 6 gears. The orange button will shift you back to snail on each gear. Parking brake works very well. Hand throttle for field work. Up above you, air conditioning and heat. Stereo, I don't know if the stereo works. It's not much of one. Anyways, it's an old tape deck, could be upgraded. buddy seats with seat belt, windshield wiper working. It's actually pretty clean. A little bit of a fog today. We installed a battery shut-off switch in this. So yeah, all in all, nice machine. Runs good. Everything checks out. And brakes are nice and tight, like I said. Nothing major wrong with this. Make a great tractor. Here we are doing 39, 40 miles an hour.